Alright guys, so accurately this is about 10 hours from the time that I made a video about mood gain. Alright, now if you check on my channel, you're basically gonna see right here that I posted a video about this particular token, or let me say meme coin, that were listed by cex.io, and I also posted this update in our official channel. All right, so I posted this update and I made sure every single person is basically seeing this update. Now let me search for the official channel. All right, so it's called cex family. Now this is cex family. I made a post about this on May 10th. Already, if you check the time, you're going to see right here that this is May 12th. All right, and when I posted about this, I dropped a message that video coming soon. All right, this is the number one reason why I said you need to be very active on the cex.io family, and also you have to be very active on the official channel. All right, because when they get to post update, it is always a legit information. Now this is one thing I just discovered. If you scroll down a little bit, let me just show you guys something right here. All right, so whenever any cryptocurrency gets to make a huge bump, I get notification based on my interest on that particular cryptocurrency. All right, so these are some list of cryptocurrencies that were making huge bump to the upside. You can see that Pi was among cryptocurrencies that made a huge bump to the upside. All right, now aside Pi making a huge bump to the upside, there are also other cryptocurrencies which also made a huge bump to the upside. But in this particular video, I'm going to share with you guys the main reason why I'm making this video. All right, now this particular project, all right, when I was making the video, I explained to you guys that it is not up to $1 so that time it was up to 0.1 all right, but currently you can see that it has moved up to this extent. It has moved up to $0.28, and that is a huge percentage. Now let me scroll down. You can see that this up to $0.28, and that's a huge move. If by any chance you use $10 to buy this, you would have actually made some gains from it already. And that is why it is very interesting for you to jump into the cex.io family right now and get to purchase more tokens that they get to list on their exchange. All right, so this is the new information that I want to pass to you guys. All right, now there are still recent posts which were made on the cex.io family. You can basically get to see the new tokens that are being listed out. I'm going to actually point out those tokens for you guys, and you can go ahead and go and purchase those tokens. So let me quickly go straight to the official channel right now. All right, so right over to the official channel, you can basically see right from here. All right, now the recent tokens that were added up automatically gets to reflect on the screen right here. Now this has been a token that I've purchased for meme coin before. This is called Chill Guy. All right, and this particular meme coin is now listed on the cex.io official channel. That means you can go over to the cex.io official channel and buy a portion of this token. This is how you're going to be doing it. You come to your account, just type to cex.io, open up your application. It is very important to have your application downloaded, and it's also very important that you have some funds in your account. All right, if you do not have enough capital, you can start with as low as $20, $50. All right, then you can be buying at least bulk of these cryptocurrency that are being listed on cex.io. They don't just list anyhow cryptocurrency, they list important cryptocurrencies. Right, they list important meme coins, they list important tokens, so you can basically get your hands on them. Now once you come to your account, you can click on the buy icon right here, and right here at the top here you get to see Bitcoin. All right, so let me put it up right at the top where you get to see Bitcoin. If you click right here, you can type chill boy. All right, so you can see right here, this is a chill guy right here, just a chill guy. Now The fun fact about this particular token is that it is not even up to $0.1. Now let me show you guys. All right, so if you type chill, all right, so you can see the price range is about 0.09. So this particular chill guy is not even up to $1 yet. Talking of $0.1. It means that you can basically buy this in bulk. With $5, you can basically buy a whole lot of this particular chill guy. Alright. And once you get to bag it in bulk and then make any heavy move, you are making good profit from it. That is why it is very important to jump on it right now and give it a try. All right. Now let me scroll down. You get to see other one right here, which is also still provided. All right. This has already been listed on the CX.io family. Just go over to your account and right on the search button, you can type the name. Now, once you type the name, you're going to see that this particular one is up to $0.1, but this is about $0.149. All right. You can still get to purchase this and stack it up in your account. Make sure to have their logo confirmed before you purchase so that you don't purchase a wrong token. All right, so you can see right here, this is exactly what we just saw. And mind you, this is an AI token, which is the latest cryptocurrency hitting the CX.io package. You can see right here with a potential of power by smart algorithms. So you can get your hands on this right now. Every single time they make a post, they get to like drop this post for you guys so you can basically see the latest token. This is Meow. All right, this is basically being listed on the CX.io family as well. A bold unique coin making its mark in the crypto space, which you can basically see. You can head over straight to your account and also get to purchase this as well. So you can see right here, cat in a dog world, which you can basically see right here. This is not even up to $0.01. This is about $0.00367,956, which you can basically see. Now, like I've told you guys before, there's a whole lot of space, there's a whole lot of opportunity for you to make money in this crypto space. All right. And if by any chance you miss the opportunity to basically make money with it, you might actually regret it later. All right, this particular update is very important. Now you can see right now that this particular meme coin is still very low, and this is the best opportunity for you to get your hands on them. So if you scroll down a little bit, you get to see more. All right, this is their weekly recap, and right here, this is another one. Move back. All right, so you can basically check on the CX.io family. You can type the name. Sorry. All right, so you can see right here, this is about 0.05. You can purchase these tokens and have them stack up in your account. Now, as long as you basically get to purchase these tokens, you are basically getting access to them, and you're not even spending a whole lot of money. You can use at least $2, $3, $4 to purchase these tokens and leave them for as long as you want. This is just potential investment, which means they can skyrocket anytime and you can make a whole lot of money from it. Now, in case you basically want to purchase this token but you don't have enough funds to do that, this is what you're going to be doing. All right, you come over to your wallet, you click on receive, and right over to your account right here. Let's say you want to use USDT. All right, you can click to use USDT. There are a whole lot of network for USDT right here. So let's say we click on USDT, we click on the BEP20, and this is the wallet for BEP20. So we copy it out. Now, minimum amount you can basically send to your account is $5. So let's say I head over straight to my Trust wallet. All right, so over to my Trust wallet right over here. I have over 340 347. So let's say we want to spend out of the $7 that is on top. I will send out the $7 from here. So I'm going to send $7 from here, and then I'm going to click on the confirm and have this send in. All right, so this is how you basically get to do it. Now I'm going to be left with over $340. All right, so let me show you guys how you can basically get to purchase some of these tokens and how you can potentially get to like scale up using your own account. So quickly, I'm going to share with you guys every single thing. Now let me head over straight to my account right now, and once this payment arrive into my account, then I'm going to share with you guys other things. All right, so once our capital arrive into our account, the next thing that we're going to be doing is for us to basically purchase some of this token. All right, so for instance, if you basically want to get this token into your account, this is what you're going to be doing. You come over to where they say convert. You can basically use the convert means to basically get access to this token. And right here we have our USDT on the top, we have BTC right here. So let's say the first one I want to actually like purchase, let me quickly show you guys. All right, let's say the first one I actually want to purchase is this one right here, because this is very low. So if I come right here and I type in this name, it's going to bring it out. And right over here I will say, okay, let's say I want to basically like purchase with $2. All right, so if I click on to confirm right now, automatically you can see that I have converted successfully. I have spent $2 on this, and the total value that I have is over 485 of this. This is just $2 that I just used to purchase this. All right, and for converting, I'll basically get over $1.8 for this. So I'll click on to convert again. I'll click on this space, then I will scroll down. I'll look for other ones. Okay, this is the next one right here. So let me go over and type the name. All right, so over right here, I'm just basically teaching you guys how to do this. All right, I'll still click on to convert, and clicking on to convert, I will be having some certain amount of this. This is about 12.2. Now I'm only left with $3 right now. So with these $3, I use these $3 to basically purchase the chill guy. All right, so I'm basically coming right here, and on this spot I'll type right here, then I'll type chill guy. Now the chill guy basically is provided for us. Now I'll just click on to convert, and this automatically gets to convert it. So once you're converting, there's going to be a charge fee for every single converting you're doing. That is one thing you should know. All right, initially I sent $7. There's going to be a charge fee for that. So once I made my conversion and every single thing is being sent in successfully, now these are the list of tokens that I currently have. You can basically see $1.8, $1.8, $2.65. So you can spend as low as this amount to basically stack them up. You're not really going to be spending any money, but at the same time it's a main investment. All right, where you can basically just forget about this and let it run. All right, so this is how you get to do it, and you can generate a whole lot of money from it. Please, if you do not have the CX.io application, the link is going to be provided in the description of this video. Get access to it and start right now. There is no time, and you can make a whole lot of money from it. So if you enjoyed this video, if you found this helpful, if by any chance this turns out to be something you can work with, make sure to give it a try. Let me know in the comment section what's your thought.